Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. We are here in the warehouse. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, so let's take a look and see what's available for your bike this week. So then first thing we've got is part number 131983, the Tri-Spark kit with electronic ignition. This includes the mounted bracket for the kit and it is £479.40 including VAT. Next up is part number 065030CU. That's a gasket and seal kit, full 850 Mark 1 and 2 with a copper head gasket. Now the copper head gasket does need annealing before you fit it, but this item is £64.74 including VAT. Next is the handlebars in a semi-western style. That's part number 061046. They are £53.82 including VAT. And last but not least for this first video for the new year is part number 067524, the timing pinion extractor, which is £83.94 including VAT. And of course, as always, if there's anything that we've not mentioned this week and you'd really like it for your bike, you can either get in touch with us or you can set yourself a reminder through the Andover Norton website. It's really simple to do. There's a link in the section below. Go and click on that. It takes you through the whole process and then you will get an email sent to you when that item comes back in stock. But until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.